Hi guys, Neil Waterhouse. I'm doing a series of quick videos about how to get more views on eBay. This week's video is the INR ratio and how it can radically reduce eBay views and even get eBay sellers suspended who are not aware of how to control the INR ratio. If anybody new to this channel, my name is Neil Waterhouse and I've been selling online full-time for over 25 years. I'm the author of $1 Million eBay Business from Home and creator of Dropship Formula. So the number one reason beginner eBay dropship sellers appear on eBay's radar is because of what is known in the industry as INRs, which is an acronym for Item Not Received. Every eBay account on the planet has an INR rating, or Item Not Received rating, like this eBay account that has a 0.24% Item Not Received rating. At the end of this video, I'll share with you the link so you can also see your INR ratio right now. eBay knows what the average Item Not Received rating is for every eBay seller in every country, in every category. If an eBay seller's INR ratio gets above 2%, eBay can throttle the seller's account. By throttle, I mean lower the position of where a seller's listings appear in the eBay search results, so that all of the seller's listings get less views and therefore less sales. What makes some eBay sellers appear on eBay's radar, especially beginner eBay dropship sellers who do not know how to control their INR rating, is their higher than average INR ratio compared to other eBay sellers. In other words, these dropship sellers with high INR ratios are selling items, but they're not shipping all the orders to their buyers. Buyers are reporting that they're not receiving their orders. And this is mostly caused by eBay dropship sellers selling items that are not in stock with their suppliers. So when items sell, they cannot supply them. The selling out of stock issue normally is always caused by dropship sellers listing items and not having any methodology in place to automatically, continually check if their suppliers have the items in stock. So what happens is, these eBay dropship sellers sell an item and then they log into their supplier's website only to discover their suppliers run out of stock. Then the eBay seller cancels the order the wrong way and bingo, their INR rating has just increased. As I've been saying year after year, it's critical that if you're dropshipping on eBay, Amazon, Shopify and every other marketplace, to have some methodology in place to continually, automatically check your supplier's inventory 24/7, 365, so that if your supplier runs out of stock of any item, your listings on eBay, Amazon, Shopify, etc. need to show zero available so buyers cannot purchase those items. You can do this supplier inventory checking manually at the beginning, or at the beginning of your dropshipping journey. And then when you're ready, you can fully automate this process using a program like Scarcity Manager that automatically checks your supplier's inventory 24/7, 365, and even when you're sleeping. And if your supplier runs out of stock of any item, Scarcity Manager automatically makes your listings show zero available, so that nobody can purchase the items that your suppliers are out of stock of. If you also want to know how to cancel an order on eBay without receiving a transaction defect, make sure you watch this video up here and I'll put a link at the end of the video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. Until next week, stay safe, list more, sell more. This is Neil Waterhouse.